Good morning. It's a very early 1 a.m. and I am heading to Portland International Airport to pick up one of my buddies that literally flew across the country to do a road trip down to LA for Cars, Bikes, and Coffee at American Honda's headquarters this Saturday. And the reason why we're doing this is because we will get a chance to be one of the first to drive the all-new 2026 Honda Passport. If anyone's been following this model, you know how off-road capable it's going to be. You know what a big leap it is for the brand. And both of us are excited not only for a road trip, but obviously to go down, to have some fun, to go support the brand moving in this direction, and to get our hands on the wheel. So it should be a lot of fun. Definitely going to be a pretty long day today. So let's get to the airport and then get on our way out of here. Good morning. So today's the big day. Just getting up, I'm gonna head over for Cars and Coffee at American Honda. Got the MDX Type S down here. What a road trip that was, as you guys saw in the video. Wonderfully beautiful day today. You can see cars are starting to head over. So Cars, Bikes, and Coffee at American Honda once every 2 months. And it's not just for Hondas. I mean, it's literally a Cars and Coffee. You have off-roading rigs that go, you have old muscle cars that go. It's a really fun experience, and the company does a great job as being really inclusive. So today's rugged day, which is why we've got the MDX Type S, we've got the Wild Peaks, we have the Rotopacks in there that we used on the way down here for some water, we got extra fuel. Obviously it's a long drive. Let's go check out the brand new 2026 Honda Passport. We have the RTL, we have the TrailSport, and we got the TrailSport Elite. Sounds like we'll be able to go for a ride in these cars. I saw there was a accessory camping table that's on display too, so I can't wait to check that out. All right, made it. Cars, Bikes, and Coffee. Let's go check out the TrailSport Adventure.
We got power, everyone. I'm gonna go 3.5 so you can see it really work. So right now, like we got a dot right here, you can push it, kind of thing. See, okay. Pretty stable. Okay. Yeah. Here, this kind of shows how the front end hikes up. You lose steering. I'm gonna give you guys a look. And then when you push it right there, give it a little tap.
The walking.
Give it. Whoa!
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there it is. Good.
Oh, interesting. Take a look at this. There's extend, tilt, and retract. Oh, okay. So what is the tilt?
It's when it's in, it sits like
The
this.
legs
The
itself?
preset. No, the legs have to be unscrewed
Oh.
when you put it in.
Oh, this is for inside the Passport?
Yes.
Got it.
When it's in the shelf position.
Okay. And then the legs go underneath?
No, they go on the left side and the underbody.
Okay. Okay. I love how big it is. Yeah. Oh, and it's rubberized.
Yes, so things don't slide off.
Yeah. Good job.
Thank you. Special topographical design.
Nice job.
Okay.
So how do these work? Because you can take them off right when they get scuffed up, right?
Yeah, so you can take this off and then replace it.
Okay. And that runs the whole
Yes.
thing. All right, what other accessories you got on this bad boy?
We have the roof platform up here.
Oh, that's right.
It can accommodate up to a mid roof box.
Nice. It's integrated well.
So this also has the black H mark emblems as well as the Passport tailgate inlay emblems.
It looks like we have wiring.
Yeah, so this is the TrailSport Elite. So it comes with the standard trailer hitch with the 2 recovery points that's rated 2 times the gross vehicle weight. And then it comes with a 7-pin connector standard as well.
Nice. Cool. Oh, the table is in here. Nice.
Are you recording? Okay.
Yeah, I was.
Okay, so yeah, so we can put it in tilt. You put it in tilt, then you can lift it up. Basically, it doesn't lock it into these side presets.
Oh, okay.
And then these are also the MOLLE panels, which are accessories as well as this cargo tray.
Nice. Wow, these actually have the TrailSport logo on them.
Yes.
That's cool.
Which I would say the TrailSport mountains are located in California.
That's,
Alabama Hills.
that's a good tie into the brand.
Yes. And then here you have the temp spare. And then you have Easter egg back there.
Oh, the Easter egg. That's cool. And then these are the legs.
So yes, the legs go, it comes with this bag and you store it on the left side of this underfloor storage. Underfloor storage, additional 6 cubic feet of storage.
If anybody's familiar with the latest generation Honda Pilot, you're going to see a lot of similarities, but with some Passport twists in the new 2026 Passport. Taking a look at the ventilated seats, those are outstanding to finally have when you're off-roading in the summer. Heated windshield, also a super nice touch. This one comes with a heated steering wheel. Passport is embossed underneath the larger screen, which as you saw is super helpful when you're off-roading and able to see what's in front of you and on the sides. The topographic rubberized mats everywhere are so nice because stuff doesn't fly around. You've got the nice shelf on the passenger side to be able to store gear, store walkie-talkies, etc., which is super nice. The panoramic moonroof lets in a ton of light. The back seats do look similar to the Pilot, which again is a great thing. Having the trim pieces with the designs are really a nice touch. Obviously, Passport TrailSport does come with the rubberized floor mats as well. And then basically just taking a look at the outside on some of these cars here. I mean, we can see the new engine from the Pilot here. So we have a dual overhead cam, no VTEC, but from having the latest generation Pilot, it's a great engine. I loved it. Transmission logic is amazing. Obviously, it's refined for the Passport. So this clip is essentially the entire course, and a couple things I wanted to highlight on here were how this vehicle takes these angles. You get off camber so much on this course, and you feel like you're in an unfamiliar situation. Is the vehicle going to flip? Are you going to tip over? Is it going to fall? And it was able to crawl through each of these things so effortlessly. It was amazing. I've done a lot of similar things in either the Pilot or the MDX or the Ridgeline, and you do these things and you're afraid because they're not normal. And going through this course, being able to see how this vehicle responds, how it can get on 2 or 3 wheels, how it can pull through, It gives you so much more confidence as a consumer when you're out and about wanting to explore in areas that maybe you're not overly familiar with. Does it give you too much confidence? No. I think all of the safety components that are on the vehicle kind of rein you in to show you what the vehicle should or should not be doing. But it also gives you the confidence when it's okay to push forward and go explore a little bit. Going through the course was a ton of fun. Finishing out the rest of the morning at Cars, Bikes, and Coffee was a lot of fun to see some of the more rugged-esque type models on display. So obviously a lot of the TrailSport stuff, but inside we also had some of the ATVs, and then we had this, the HRC Honda Pilot. Seeing the bumpers, the steel bumpers, the worn winch integrated into this, it's so flawless. It looks so OEM. It's fun. Obviously, we've got some upgraded wheels and tires. We have rock sliders. We have the Rotopacks. We have the platform roof rack on top with the side panels for Rotopacks. The back bumper itself looked really great to be able to tow, but also having the swing out tire so that when you're off road and you can get a flat, you can get your high lift out, pop off the wheel, swap it out, and keep going. Max Tracks up top. Yeah, it was really fun to see this, and there were some simulations as well on site that everyone got to partake in if they wanted to. But outside of that, it was a great experience, as these always are, and that's the best part about them. They're always themed, they're always something new, and it always keeps you engaged. Even if you've gone to a few in the past, come back out, have fun with them, see all the new stuff. You know, in addition to that, obviously I felt right in having the MDX Type S there, because I am ready to really push that thing to see how far I can take it this summer while I go camping. But yeah, great experience. Everyone was extremely hospitable, and the entire staff, all the Honda associates, make you feel excited to be there. They show you all these great things. They show you how to enjoy the cars, and they share the passion that we all have, and that's why we're there. So thanks to everyone. Enjoy the photo collage here at the end, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below.